Let's learn vacation mode. It's choreographed by myself, Michelle Wright. It is a 32 count, 2-wall, beginner level contra with tags on the ends of walls 1 and 5. Now, wall 12 is your final wall of the dance. As the ending, you will do the tag again because the song ends with the same music that we have for the tags. But I didn't put it as a tag on the step sheet because it's kind of, if you don't do it, it's not a big deal. So I just put it as an ending, but if it's easier for you, you can think of that there are tags on the ends of walls 1, 5, and 12, if that will help you remember it. But it doesn't actually matter if you do that final one or not because it is the end of the song. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tags and the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 6 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows. So you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn vacation mode. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do side touch to the right and the left. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side, touch your left next to your right. Step your left foot to the left side, touch your right next to your left. And when you do this, you can kind of add body rolls in, or if you're feeling ambitious, you can high five the people across from you. I personally like to add a little bit of a body roll in, but that choice is yours. From here, we're going to do a side together, side touch. As you do your side together, side touch, you're going to do wave hands to the left. So what I like to do is, as I step to the side, I like to open my body to the left, and then I do my hands up and down like a wave. So you'll step your right foot to the side, left together, right side, touch your left next to your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your side touches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to repeat what we just did, but to the left. So you're going to step your left foot to the left side, touch your right next to your left. Step your right foot to the right side, touch your left next to your right. And you can add the body rolls or the high fives or whatever you would like on that part. And then we're going to do our side together, side touch. When we do this, your hands are going to go to the right this time. So you'll step your left foot to the side, right together, left side, touch your right next to your left. So you're opening your body to the right, doing your wave hands to the right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right foot, you're doing your side touches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do step together, step touches, or shoot steps. So we're going to step our right foot forward, bring your left foot into your right, step your right foot forward, and touch your left next to your right. When you're doing this contra, this will cause your lines to meet in the middle. If you would like to high five on that part, feel free. You can go woo, whatever you would like to do, add your own styling. We're now going to step our left foot forward, bring your right foot into your left, step your left foot forward, and touch your right next to your left, and now we would have switched lines. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your step together, step touch, or your shoot step. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you would like, again, you can high five when you meet in the middle. You can do the wave hands forward if you would like. You can kind of add your own styling, whatever you would like to do, as long as those step together steps track forward, because you do not want to hit anybody that is next to you. So you want to make sure that you're doing that part forward. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do a slow quarter pivot. So we're going to step forward with our right foot. As we do this quarter pivot, you're going to roll your hips counterclockwise from left to right. So as we step with our right, you're going to push your left hip out, and you're going to roll, and then recover. And you've made that quarter turn, putting your weight on your left foot. You're now facing 9 o'clock. Now we're going to do 2 quick 8 pivots, and we're going to roll our hips as we do these 8 pivots. So you're stepping, step 8 pivot, you're now facing the diagonal. Step 8 pivot, you're now facing 6 o'clock or the opposite wall that you were facing, so that you're ready to start over again or do the tag depending on where we are in the dance. Now, if you would like to add hands into that motion, I did hands up in the air and I call them party hands. So you can kind of swing your arms around like you just don't care. You can do them in front. You don't have to do them at all. whatever you would like to do with your hands, just to make it a little more fun, feel free to add them in. I personally like to swing them over my head. If you're choosing to swing them over your head or in front of your body, you want to make sure your hands match your hips. So the first one's slow, the two are quick. Same thing with if it's in front of your body, you want it to kind of come from left to right, and then two quick ones. Just make sure it matches whatever your hips are doing. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. We're stepping and doing our hip rolls. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. We're starting with our side touches. So it's right touch, left touch, right together, right touch, left touch, right touch, left together, left touch, step forward together, step touch, step forward together, step touch, slow quarter pivot, 2 quick 8 pivots. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your side touches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now let's talk about how you line up if you would like to make it a contra dance. So this was choreographed to be contra. You can do it as just a 2-wall line dance. That's fine as well. If you're doing it contra, you want to line up with windows. So when you make your lines, you want to make sure that everybody is staggered so that there's a person facing and opening between the people across from them. Because when you do this part, and then you go back the other way, it should put you back into your window, and then you'll do your step together. And then these pivots are in place, it just causes you to turn around. So there's no movement, and then you'll be in your windows again. Now, let's talk about the tag. The tag is going to happen on the ends of walls 1 and 5, and then you will do it again as the ending of the dance. The tag is 4 counts, and it's the part of the music that kind of has no lyrics. It's just very musical. All we're going to do is a body roll and hip bump. It's 4 counts, but when we do this, we're going to kind of step into that right diagonal. So you're going to step towards the person that is in your right diagonal, and everybody will step to the right no matter where they are. The people on the ends may step into an open space, but everybody's going to step into the diagonal. I like to think of this kind of as like the ocean part, right? So it's supposed to kind of look like a wave, and then you're bumping your hip. So we're going to step our right foot slightly forward into that right diagonal. As you step, you're going to start a forward body roll. So you're going to start with your head and your shoulders. You're going to go in towards the person that is on your right diagonal. Then you're going to recover back and sit down on your left foot and pop your right knee. And then we're going to bump our right hip twice, bump, bump. And then you'll be ready to start over again with your side touches. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're stepping into that right diagonal. So it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And then you'll be ready to start over again. Now, on the ending, there is like 1 extra count before the music completely ends. So if you would like, after you do the tag, you can just kind of step to the side so that you're ending in like a pose, and you're kind of ending a little bit in a comfortable position compared to in your little hip bump motion. But that is the whole tag, and it happens twice. So it's going to happen on the part where you switch walls. So on wall 1, it will happen after you switch walls, and you will do the tag at the end of that first wall. Then it will happen again on wall 5. You'll be doing your home wall, you will switch, and then you will do that tag. So no matter where you're facing, if you're facing the back wall or the front wall, you're still going to step into the right diagonal. You'll still step to whoever is in your right diagonal and bump your hip. So now let's go around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 6 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the tags their next walls. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your side touches. So it's right touch, right together, right touch, right touch, left together, left touch, forward, right together, right touch, left together, left touch, slow quarter pivot, 2 quick 8 pivots to your tag, step into the right diagonal, roll and sit, bump your hip, right, start over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, side touch, side together, side touch, side together, side touch, forward, right together, right touch, left together, left touch, slow quarter pivot, 2 quick 8 pivots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, side touch, side together, side touch, side together, side touch, step together, step touch, step together, step touch, slow quarter pivot, 2 quick 8 pivots, do your tag, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. You'll dance until wall 12 where you add on your tag for your ending. So now that you've learned it with a tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like so you can hopefully go and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn vacation mode. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.